आवो जी पधारो मारे देश में, आवो रे पधारो मारे देश.
So now we are exploring the Jaisalmer fort. This fort is still called a living fort. That means the people actually still live in there.
And it's been 800 years. 800 years. That's crazy. In the 17th century, they actually had to start building outside because the population was growing so rapidly. It's really cool. Alright, so while exploring Rajasthan, you're most likely going to notice how colorful and vibrant the people and the handicrafts are, especially these puppets. You're probably going to see them everywhere. They're called Kathmandu puppets, sorry about the pronunciation, and they date back to over 1,000 years. Now, they were originally used in ballads and stories for entertainment and puppet shows, and they're very popular in the Rajasthani culture. So, since it is a live-in fort, you gotta be careful because there's so many people that are still driving these roads. So you gotta hug the wall pretty much. So we finally got to go inside of the palace here in the fort, which is amazing to get a chance to see all of the history. And actually in the 90s, Jaisalmer Fort was among one of the 100 most endangered forts. And this fort in particular faces the threat of water. So when it was originally built, you gotta imagine 800 years ago, they didn't have all of the running water, the same type of technology that we have today. And so with all the hotels, the tourism springing up, the foundation is not able to handle all of the amounts of water that are used or that are now running through the city underneath. They were definitely fierce warriors, and I will say that the soldiers, the wives of the ones who died on the battlefield, they did not want to be captured. They refused, and to keep their dignity, they actually committed suicide, which is referred to as Jauhar. So what they would do is they would dress in their finest silk saris and their gowns, and they would put on their beautiful jewelry, and when the sun came up after they got done with a night of prayers, they would have the drummers beat to the drums, and they would step into fire, and they would go and meet their husbands. Alright, so this was actually one of the Maharaja's bedrooms, and the blue tiles that you can see on the wall are from Holland. He was a big fan of European art and the style there, so they're all from Holland. And the thali dish that is over to the left side of the bed, he was a big fan also of eating in his bedroom, and so I can relate to that. He would eat in his bedroom, and then this entire courtyard where we're standing would come alive afterwards with song and dance, and they would just have a good time. So this is the highest point on the fort here in Jaisalmer. It's beautiful. You can see the entire city where they built outside of the fort walls back in the 17th century. And I love the gold and the saffron colored flag. It's gorgeous. Alright, so we finished seeing the palace, which was gorgeous. It was so fun to learn about the rich culture of India. It's one of my favorites, as you can tell, because we live here. But we're just gonna go and walk through the market. There's like a ton of different items that you can buy, from purses to textiles, handicrafts, anything that you're looking for. Aside from the Desert Festival, the beautiful fort and marketplaces, another really popular activity here in Jaisalmer is glamping!
Yes!
And that's what we're about to go do right now. We are so excited. We're going to show you everything when we get there. We're not going to spoil it now. Alright, see you. So it is like an hour-long drive, and the driver needed some chai first. I really hope he brings some for me too.
Okay, we made it to the camp. Right now we're just walking to our tent. They gave us 25 and 26. Seems to be really in the back. So I guess we can avoid a lot of the crowd and traffic, so that's good.
All right, let's go inside the tent. Oh, it's super cute. Look, we got an extra bed. All right, let me see. Ooh. The mattress is actually really comfortable. Just don't plop on the bed because you definitely can feel that iron. But yes, all right, so we have a charger, which is great. Nice warm blanket. Probably got to double up though. Look, there's one right there. It's new. All right, let's see the rest. Oh, is there water in here? Ah, there is. And this must be the restroom. Oh, nice. So we have our sink. Excellent. Look, the water is clear too. It's not dirty at all. We have a toilet. It's a little light. Oh, that's bright too. Goodness. I'm blind now. And then we have a little shower bucket. Uh-oh. Must be this one. There it is. Look. And it's clean water. That's great. We have our own little windows. And they open. Look, it even has mosquito net and everything. That's awesome. I love it. Glamping. Yay. Normally they would have a performance here at the campground for you to watch at night, but since the Desert Festival is going on, we're all headed to a big area where there's going to be a huge dance going on tonight. So we're really excited, and we're really excited, and we're on our way to go see that now. We are on the way to go see a camel race right now. That sounds so cool.
कृपया लाइन नहीं छोड़े, ध्यान दें, लाइन के आगे कोई नहीं आए, लाइन नहीं छोड़े। जिस लाइन पे आपको खड़ा किया गया है वहीं रहें, आप आगे नहीं आए। बस कुछ ही देर में विजेताओं के परिणाम हमारे समक्ष होंगे। अब देखना यह है कि कौन होगा इस बार का विजेता, किसे दूसरे स्थान पर संतोष करना होगा और कौन रहेगा तीसरे स्थान पर। पहले 3 स्थानों को पुरस्कृत किया जाता है। ट्रैक के दौरान इस बार के विजेता हमें इंतजार है निर्णायकों का। जैसे ही निर्णायक मंडल
Alright guys, so now let's take this hike through the desert to the next place. We're still trekking.
I know. Oh god, it's really hard to walk in the sand.
Oh my goodness, it's like, I feel like it's more than a kilometer.
Oh yeah, it does feel like it.
But it's beautiful, like the sun is setting, everyone's like kind of going, there's camels everywhere, there's camel gifts everywhere too. You gotta watch out for that. Oh my god, there's a bike, he's stuck!
Oh no!
There he goes.
Seems like they made it in time.
All right, well, we gotta get going too, so we can make it on time.
Yep, we'll see you there.
आगे आइए आगे बक्सा जी लड़ जाओ उन सबको एक सेट करो सर ये और ये उन दोनों के बीच में होना चाहिए
Whoa, what an experience, right? Okay, so we decided to take a camel back to the entrance, and now we're trying to go back to the campground now to have dinner. I'm excited, I'm hungry. His mom had a fast today, so she hasn't eaten anything. They were almost an hour late getting started, but it was really awesome. But yeah, we're starved. I am crumbling up my bati, my dog. I am so excited to eat it. They had everything. They had curry. They had the paneer, butter paneer. Yes. It's so good. He said he didn't like it, but I think I've had it before and it's pretty good. And dal bati. We love it. Hey guys, unfortunately our microphone died, but we wanted to say thank you very much for watching our video. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed spending the day with us, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing so that we can see the world together. See you in the next video.
Stop it. She scared me. I thought we lost her or something. 1, 2, 3